Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to calculate a percentage of a total. Firstly, we select our part of total, then we divide it with total number. If you want to calculate percentages for multiple parts using the same total, just press F4 on keyboard. This will add dollar signs to the reference, which means it's locked. Now we need to click on percentage icon in the toolbar. Then the number automatically changes to percentage. If you'd like to adjust the number of decimal places, just click the icon right next to the percentage icon. This will increase or decrease decimal places for a cleaner look. Now, to apply this calculation to other rows, use the fill handle. Click the cell with your formula, grab the small square in the bottom right corner, and drag it down to fill the formula across the rows. And that's it! You can quickly calculate percentages and extend them across multiple cells using these simple steps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.